Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys, Libras. So, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Libras, we are picking these cards, guys. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Libras. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Libras, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general guidance. So that reading may clear your doubts or answer some questions you have in your circumstances, guys, Libras. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So we will see what are these cards for your general energies. We have scythe, birds, and clover. So, in your circumstances today, guys, Libras, you are maybe meeting with friends or family, with the people with whom you are really close with, guys. You trust them, you rely on this person, and you are meeting them maybe to communicate about certain things. Maybe you are discussing about your life or some decisions you need to make, or you are gathering information from them, taking their ideas or suggestions on certain things. Or maybe for some of you, you are just talking, having a good time, maybe gossiping about someone. And maybe for some of you, it may be your sibling or a friend who is giving you valuable advice, something that you can follow in your life. So they are sharing to you their stories and some positive messages or some kind of information with you, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may be seeing signs, you may be subconsciously drawn to certain things today. Maybe you have a need to take up some activities, maybe some hobbies, some intuitive guidance may be there, and you may be seeing some signs maybe when you are making some important choices in your work situation or in your relationship. You may know the answer even before that person asking you, or even before the circumstance unfolding. So some kind of clarity is there in your heart, in your situation today, guys, Libras. And in your circumstances, Libras, maybe for some of you, your circumstances may see a sudden change. Maybe for some of you, it may be a difficult situation you are handling today. Maybe someone close to you is leaving you all of a sudden. There may be some arguments or some stressful situation. And maybe for some of you, it may be a very difficult time you are facing today. So you are seeing a break in this relationship, or it may be a sickness they are having. So it is some kind of a physical or a emotional separation from someone you love, someone really close to you, guys. And it may be it may look like an abrupt ending today you are seeing in your circumstances, guys. So you need to be careful, Libras, if you are having plans for travel somewhere, or if you are meeting with someone. It is better not to indulge in any kind of arguments or push that circumstance into some kind of stressful situation. So try to avoid any such stressful circumstances today, guys. Libras, that will work for the best today. So this may be your energy towards this person you love, or their energy towards you, guys, Libras. So for your relationship, we have bouquet. So looks like things are going in a positive way in this relationship with this person you love. You have a good understanding, and maybe even in this separation, if it is with this person, maybe you are in a difficult situation, but these circumstances will be back to normal, guys, very soon, and you need not worry, because the difficulties you see today you will reach an accord, or you will say sorry, or they will say sorry, and things will be back to normal very soon, guys, Libras, if you are having problems with your person. So for your career situation, it's coffin. So in your work situation, guys, maybe if you are seeing some delays in your work or some difficult situation, all that is coming to an end, guys. So difficulties are ending for you very soon. Maybe there may be some problems with this person you love, or there may be problems in your career, but all that is coming to an end very soon, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this card, it says time for a nap. So with this card in your circumstances today, guys, in your relationship, maybe this may not be the time for you to make any plans. If you are with a person you love, it is a good time to know yourself, to know the other person, to build that understanding and allow things to flow naturally in this relationship. So beautiful renewal or rejuvenation is taking place all by itself, guys, and patience is the key for your heart's desire right now. So you need to withdraw from action in this relationship and give it rest, for that love and that connection can become more deeper, more refreshed, rejuvenated, and more lively today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, let us see what is the second card. What is the crystal? This is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this is the crystal for you all today. And with this crystal stands for orderliness, clearing clutter. So whatever was bothering you, maybe emotionally or physically, you need to go for that orderliness. So, orderliness in your interactions and in your thought about your relationships or interactions with the people you love, people you are close with. So, this is the perfect time for yourself to journal about your thoughts and feelings when it comes about people whom you care for, guys. So, if any challenging emotions come up, you need to understand that universe is here guiding you today, and it wants you to be happy, and you can feel happy, secure that universe's guidance is there in your life. So all you need to do is be aware of the emotions that you feel today towards the people you love, or the thoughts you have towards the people you love, and see whether you need to adjust, whether you need to make any changes in your relationship, guys. So that way you are moving towards a perfect understanding and clarity. So you need to think clearly for yourself. So from your side, whatever needs to be done, you need to go for that to improve yourself, improve this relationship, or enhance this relationship. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this Crystal Spirits card, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this kind of reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.